This is not another AI video. This is a market alert. While most people are still trying to figure out ChatGPT, a $236 billion wealth transfer is happening right now in 2026. But unfortunately, 99% of people have no idea it's even occurring. My name is Ross Minchev, and I've generated over $500,000 in digital product sales. I built a $10,000 a month community, and I was the first person to make Pinterest affiliate marketing profitable, confirmed by Pinterest themselves. Now, I don't say this to brag. I say this because I've been early to every major shift in digital marketing for the past 12 years. And what's happening with AI in 2026? This is bigger than social media in 2008. It's bigger than mobile in 2012. And it's even bigger than e-commerce in 2016. And by the end of this video, you will understand exactly what is driving this explosion. And also which 3 revenue vehicles are creating millionaires right now. And why the window to position yourself is closing faster than you think. So let's get into the data. Here is what most people don't understand about 2026. We're not in the early days of AI anymore. We are in the deployment phase, and the deployment is where fortunes are made. The global AI agent market alone is projected to explode from $7.84 billion in 2025 to $52 billion by 2030, growing at 46.3% compound annual growth rate. But here is the part that matters to you the most. By the end of 2026, 40% of all enterprise applications will include AI agents. Now, think about that. Nearly half of business softwares will have AI built in within the next year. But it gets even bigger. The total AI market is projected to hit $900 billion by 2026, up from approximately $515 billion in 2023. That's not gradual growth. That's a tsunami. And here is what separates 2026 from everything that came before. 51% of large companies have already deployed agentic AI systems, with another 35% planning deployment in the next 1 to 2 years. I've been in this industry long enough to see countless next big things come and go. Blockchain, NFTs, the metaverse, they all had the hype, but they didn't have this. What makes 2026 AI explosion different? First, institutional backing. AI spending is growing 31.9% year over year and is projected to hit $1.3 trillion by 2029. This isn't retail investors gambling on trends. This is Fortune 500 companies restructuring their entire operations around AI. Second, real profit generation. 62% of companies investing in AI agents expect 100% return on investment. When was the last time you saw those kind of numbers and returns? In any market, I will wait. Third, autonomous capability. We're not talking about tools that help you work faster. Agentic AI refers to autonomous intelligent systems that can adapt to changing environments, make complex decisions, and collaborate with other agents and humans. These systems don't just assist, they execute. That's what is important to understand. So here's what's happening right now that most people are missing. The single biggest technical shift in 2026 is that multimodal AI is no longer a feature. It becomes the baseline. What does that mean in English? Plain English. AI systems can now natively understand and generate text, images, video, and voices simultaneously. What could be the implications? You can describe a business idea in a voice memo, and AI can generate the landing page, the marketing videos, the email sequence, and the social media content, and everything, like the whole business in a box. All at once, all personalized, all ready to deploy. Video understanding and generation is the leap that landing in 2026. With models able to watch and generate videos in real time, they can literally tell what this video is about. Now, this isn't science fiction anymore. This is production-ready technology being deployed right now in front of our bare eyes. But here's what is getting critical. Enterprises will delay 25% of AI spend into 2026 due to the disconnect between inflated promises and actual value created. Okay? So what does that tell you? The market is always correcting. The hype phase is ending. And when the dust settles, the people who position themselves correctly in 2026 will dominate 2027 and the next few years. This is your moment, not next year, right now, not when it's proven. It's right now. Now, the question isn't whether AI is big. The question is, how do you make money from it? Simple as that. I've identified three wealth vehicles that are creating 6 and 7 figure earners in 2026. These aren't theoretical. These are revenue models generating cash right now. So, wealth vehicle number one, AI agent service arbitrage. Here's how this works. Microsoft reports that 1.3 billion AI agents will exist by 2028. But right now, only 16% of organizations have a formal strategy and roadmap for implementing AI agents. That gap is your opportunity. Companies know they need AI agents. That's obvious. They have the budgets allocated, but 60% of organizations don't fully trust AI agents and they don't know how to deploy them safely. So here's the play. You become the bridge. You don't need to build the AI. You need to implement, customize, and manage AI agent systems for businesses. A real example from the field. A Forbes-recognized retailer deployed AI agents to handle phone calls, and so calls to the store dropped by 47%, while customer satisfaction rose to a score of 65%, improving annual gross profits by $77 million. Think about what that means. A single AI implementation created $77 million in value. What's your cut for setting that up? Even at 2% consulting fee, you're looking at 7 figures from one client. Conversational AI agents continue to lead the market due to their ease of use and fast deployment, especially in customer service. This is the lowest hanging fruit in 2026. Now, the revenue model is simple. Monthly retainers for AI agents management, implementation fees, and performance bonuses tied to efficiency gains. That's it. Simple as that. Wealth vehicle number two, personalized AI content ecosystems. Here's what's happening that nobody's talking about. The AI-based personalized market is projected to grow from $10.5 billion in 2024 to $38.2 billion by 2033, with over 80% of e-commerce businesses expected to adopt AI-powered personalization by 2026. But this isn't just about product recommendations anymore. Gartner predicts that by 2026, a third of all new apps will use AI to create personalized and adaptive user interfaces. What does that mean for you? Every piece of content you create can now be automatically personalized to thousands of micro audiences simultaneously. Picture this. You record one video script. AI generates 50 different versions tailored to different demographics, pain points, and buying stages. It creates the thumbnails, optimizes the titles, writes the descriptions, and schedules the posts. All personalized. Again, I'm building exactly this system with Magnus AI right now. This is my baby AI tool. It's a SaaS tool that I've created. And now the goal isn't to replace creativity. It's to multiply it. The revenue model is, again, kind of simple. You can charge for personalized content system from $1,000 to $5,000 a setup fee. You can also create ongoing content generation subscriptions, kind of a retainer, or build your own content ecosystems and monetize it directly through courses, communities, and high-ticket offers. The US AI-driven personalized recommendations market alone is expected to grow at 29.7%, which means demand is accelerating, not slowing down. Well, vehicle number three, AI-powered digital product creation. I love the third one. This is where personal leverage meets explosive market demand, and it's creating millionaires faster than any other model out there. Here's the shift. Workers with AI skills like prompt engineering now compound or command a 56% wage premium, up from 25% last year. United States Artificial Intelligence Institute confirmed that. But here's what smart operators know. You don't sell your time, you productize your expertise with AI. Traditional digital product creation used to take months. Course creation, funnel building, email sequences, sales pages. weeks of work and hard work, I'm telling you. Now, in 2026, AI compresses the entire timeline into days, sometimes even hours. But here's what makes this year different. Native video understanding and generation is landing in 2026. With models able to watch and generate video in real time, you can now create entire educational ecosystems, video courses, workbooks, marketing assets with AI as your production team. You don't need to hire people on Upwork anymore. And here's how you can make good money out of it. Layer number one, high-ticket digital products. This is specialized AI tools and trainings for specific niches, not how to use AI, but AI implementation for, let's say, dental practices with custom systems and templates. You can price it from $500 to $1,500. It's up to you and it's up the volume. Layer number two, AI-enhanced delivery. So Atlantic Care's AI-powered assistant saw 80% adoption with 42% reduction in documentation time, saving 66 minutes per day. You're creating courses where AI actually coaches students through implementation, answers their questions, and customizes training to their businesses. That's not a course. That's a $10,000 to $15,000 productized service. Layer number three, recurring infrastructure. Custom AI assistants and automated systems customer subscribes to monthly. $200 to $2,000 per customer scaled across hundreds of users. For example, in my community, I'm currently charging just $69. But you can start as low as $1 and rise it to $500 a month or more. Monthly recurring revenue that compounds. This is what I like to see. But why 2026 is going to be the window? Vendor fragmentation and the gap between AI promises and delivered value is forcing market correction. Big companies overpromised, generic tools underdelivered. That's it. Now, there is a massive gap for specialized niche-specific AI solutions. AI agents could generate up to $450 billion in economic value by 2028. But most businesses don't need billions of dollars AI. They need a $10,000 to $100,000 solutions for their specific problems. That is your opportunity. I personally generated millions of dollars in digital product sales over the past 12 years. But in 2026, I'm rebuilding everything with AI leverage through Magnus and some other AI tools that I actually built. What used to take a month now takes a day. That's how I run a $10,000 a month school community called Profit Avengers, while consulting high-ticket clients, while creating YouTube content, and while working on other AI projects, and while also having an e-commerce and dropshipping projects on the other side. I have a lot of projects, but I'm using AI to handle everything. Look, guys, I started with nothing. I didn't even speak English when I got into this industry. I emerged from Eastern Europe with no connections, no capital, and no safety net. But I had one thing that very few people have. I was early to shift. Pinterest, Facebook ads, YouTube, and now AI. Being early doesn't mean being first. It means being positioned before everyone else realizes that this is happening or what is happening. 2026 is that year for AI, and 2026 is the year where you can make a lot of money. Now, if you want to go deeper on how I'm personally building AI revenue systems, I've got the resources for you. Just comment deeper and I'll send it to you. No fluff, no hype, just infrastructure I'm actually using to scale multiple six-figure revenue streams with AI. The data is clear, the opportunity is real, and the window is now. You have about 90 days before 2026 hits. Now is the time.